so this is the new program. This is the only thing that I'm really pushing right now. The link is below. It's $4,500. What you get is we set up your holding company, we set up your operating company, we teach you corporate banking, and then you get 2 special sessions with me walking you through what you need to do. I would advise you to pick the special sessions a little later, and I will create a calendar for students only. So this offer will be in effect until the end of the month. The day is the 18th, so it expires the 31st. Let me explain to you why it expires. We get into February, and my whatnot business at that point will be doing $1,500, $2,000 a day. So that's going to be my income source. And in the beginning, it's going to be, let me look at it. $2,000 a day minus 11% minus 60% equals $712 minus $300 for salaries, $412 for me times 7, $2,088 a week. Now, here's my situation for those of you who are concerned about my money. I can live on $6,000 a month. I don't have a car payment. I don't have credit card debt. My rent's $3,000. Then health insurance and stuff. So February's whatnot times 4. It gives me $11,500. That's just an estimate. I feel it's going to be much higher. So for those of you who are worried about my money, I'll be making money off of YouTube. I'll be making money on YouTube. So if you want to be part of the tribe where we're going to teach you how to start a business and set up a business and do all that, the link is below. Also, let's talk about trash. Yes, trash. There's a group of guys on YouTube who love to come to the channel and mock, make fun, be disengaging. And over the years, I've learned something about this group. Talking to them is pointless. They will double down, triple down, quadruple down on stupidity. So going forward, do not leave a comment on my channel that's sideways, weird, or strange. I'm just going to delete it because there's no point in talking to you. None. You don't want to learn. You don't want to make money. You don't want to elevate. You don't want education. All you want to do is poke fun at someone who's clearly superior than you. Clearly. How many guys post on YouTube that a woman wrote that you have a big dick? A woman wrote that. A woman wrote that. That's how my game is. I got women celebrating my big black dick while you sitting at home. Oh yeah, baby. Watching porn or OnlyFans. I don't watch porn. I think OnlyFans and strip clubs are utterly ridiculous, but that's all you can do. So going forward, I'm going to focus on my students. I'm going to focus on making my students rich. I'm going to focus on building up my students. I'm going to I'm going to hire a personal assistant just for my students. Because, email is kind of weird sometimes. So this is something that will happen. I have one of my assistants, but she's just doing really well on Whatnot. So I'm like, leave her on Whatnot and just hire someone else to be my personal assistant. So we got that going on. But to all of you clowns, sad asses, trash people, fuck boys, fuck you. I'm no longer going to make any videos about you. There's no point in talking to you because you're just trash. You're just trash. And this is the thing. You don't have to be trash, but you want to be trash. You don't want to elevate. You don't want to grow. You don't want to be anybody. You just want to be whatever the fuck you are. And I'm done with it. I am done with it. The content's about to change. I'm going to work with my students. I made fucking $9,000 a day. I didn't even see that money coming in. It's just like boom, boom, boom. How much money did you make today with your hating ass? 0. Once again, We're getting a new policy. We're going to be talking about different stuff, and we're going to be talking about things. But anyone that leaves a sideways comment, I'm not even going to read it. I'll read it enough just to block it and delete it. You lose your posting privileges. And we just move on. We just move on. So that's what's going on. So I will see you guys in the next one.